Yo, shout outs to the Usos, Upside Vete, Miss Ipo 20. He knows this could have been us, but it is what it is. You know how we do it. Long generation Usos. LGU, hit it. Yeah, and we gonna take this back old school, man. This song goes out to all the Usos back home and the Usos worldwide. Listen up now. Let me kick it back, old school on this track. Slowly reminiscing with the bottle in the paper bag. We so sipping on a H2O 5, keeping it real, living up the high life. Puff, puff, pass, they can do it all night. Rolled it up, zigzag, burn it up, paralyzed. Muckers all red, but the brains all buzzed. Cracking out jokes, laugh it out like lost. Holding it down for my Usos in the hood. Maneuver till the boys keep it up, way to do. Spitting out lyrics, they be shooting like bullets. Maneuver till the boys live their life to the fullest. It ain't easy the way we live back home. Straight up bang, maneuver till it to the bone. Work all day and we chill all night. Reppin' it hard in the spine of mine. You know how we do, pop it up, drop dimes. Keeping it shine like a Uso on his prime. Paving up the way for all of the youngins. Maneuver till the boys stay blessed in the islands.
I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there. I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there.
What people call struggle is what we call life. We strive to survive, to merge to the heights. So no matter what adversity we face along the path, stay up, stay blessed, lay back on the soundtrack. To all my Usos living life on the rock. Keep your head up, maneuver, stay strong. Everyone knows we're the land of the original, cultural, traditional, and most of all mythical. We keep it strong on the Polynesian way. Stay true to the race like the cloud to the rain. So there's nowhere else in this world I'd rather be. Sipping juice at the beach, reminiscing to the beat. Now this jam goes out to all my people living out life like a hard-solved riddle. Deuces up to my Usos everywhere. Life is hard, but I'll see you when you get there.
I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there. I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there.
As the world keeps spinning round and round, we keep learning every day what life is all about. No pain, no gain, no game, no gains. Every minute on the track, destroy all the critics. We got the poor walking with the richest. Life goes on, live life with no limits. So I stand, wrapping up maneuver 808, land of the hula. Long generation that we gotta keep ballin'. MTB, Uso stay solid in this life. You know we gotta grind, solely stand tall and cross the finish line. Never let anyone say you can't do it. 5 mile ocean, put your heart to it. Time doesn't wait, so we're always on the move. Sky's not the limit, there are footprints on the moon.
I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there. I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there.
You know, we all got problems, but it's life. We have our own challenges that we face. So if you fall, dust it off, stand tall, and keep your head up. It ain't the money that we need to enjoy the life. We're living life to the fullest underneath the bright lights. Grind time, spotlight, hit it right, live life. Reppin', maneuver in the state of HI. Life is hard going back in the days. Picture perfect on my mind like a blazing freeze frame. To all of the Usos chillaxing back home. Drink up some Steiner, pop a 40-ounce load. Reppin' it hard in the 808 state. I'm dedicated, motivated, cultivate, no hesitate. So I keep it fly, keep it real, keep it tight. Shout out to all my people living big worldwide. Life is a challenge that we face every day. So no matter what we do, there's a price to pay. I'm just a Uso trying to make it to the top. Reppin' up maneuver with my heart non-stop.
I'll see you when you get there. If you ever get there. See you when you get there. I'll see you
can be. I guess I'll